Hi, 7up07 here. Welcome to my Guitar Hero 2 custom guide. This is going to be showing you everything from just having your Guitar Hero 2 game disc and a blank DVD to actually playing your disc. So, first thing you're going to do is go to scorehero.com. And also, you could go to this awesome channel right here and subscribe. Just don't ask any questions, just do it. So you're going to want to go to scorehero.com. If you don't have an account already, then register. And then go to custom songs. And here you can look at all of like the new ones that have just been added, or the most popular ones. Or you can click browse database and search for a song. So let's say I wanted to go look up a 3 Days Grace song. Type it in, hit enter. There's all the 3 Days Grace charts. There's several of everyone, but okay, so then you find one you want. Like this one has all the things. Let's see if I can get this one. Okay. Usually it'll take you to savefile.com, and that's easy. It's easy. Just there's big download buttons. It's not hard. This one's good too. Just click save file and it'll download it to your desktop. Now then just continue doing this until you get all your charts you want. You can have up to, I'd probably go with 50 to 55 just to be safe. There's 65 songs on the game, but you know, you don't want to overdo it, so. Okay, so right, and make sure if you like rename it or something, you keep the dot chart right there, or else it won't work. Okay, so I'm moving mine into my charts section here. And I have some others. So this is all my tools in my Guitar Hero custom. And then you want to get the MP3s for every song that you have, which I have all of mine. Okay, then the second thing you're going to want to do is open up your disk drive and put in your original Guitar Hero 2 game disc. And wait for that to load up. I got it to come up now. This will come up. You'll see these five files right here. And these are your game files for Guitar Hero 2. So what you're going to want to do is create a folder on the desktop or somewhere else. I have mine right here. These are mine. So I'm not going to do it. And then just drag and drop these like that into the file. And you can close this out. And then you're going to want to, crap, I closed the other one out. You're going to want to open up Guitar Hero Explorer. And this is where you edit all your songs and get your disc ready. What you're going to do is click File, Archive, Add, and then go, it's already in there, go into the folder you just created, which mine is right here on Files, go to Gen, and then Main HDR Open. And then what's going to happen after that is it's going to give it time to load, and then it's going to ask you if you can verify it. Click Yes. I'm not going to do that since I already have all my files. Okay, then click Main and Songs, and then here's your list of all of the songs on Guitar Hero 2. So what you're going to do, I have most of mine edited already. These are some that are kind of messed up or whatever. So let's just go here. Actually, this is one of the ones that was messed up. I couldn't get it to work. This is not Bad Reputation. This is Left Behind by Slipknot. One here. This is normal. What you can do with this one is, this is Arterial Black. And what you do is you have your chart files. So whatever chart file you want to have, get that ready, and then click Import. Find your charts. It's already on mine. And then go to whatever chart it is. Where was that one that I had? Riot. Okay. Open that up. Click OK. Everything, it'll automatically edit any things that were kind of off. Now this has like everything. Don't even worry about all that. Just click OK. And then it'll start replacing your data. So I'm going to let this finish. Okay, well after it's done loading, then it's going to bring you up to this screen, and you'll notice that the chart is very much different. And that is because this is the chart for Riot by 3 Days Grace. So if you click this and click play, look what happens. Well, my computer's being stupid, but still, it's being really slow. Don't worry about that. It usually does that on Guitar Hero Explorer. Don't worry about it. It's kind of hard to edit your songs like that, but I'll try to have that fixed here. If that happens, just close things down you have open anyway. But you did notice that the notes did not match up at all with the thing. So now what you're gonna do is click. Interesting. Okay. Right click the VGS file. Wait. Weird. That's not right. It's missing a VGS file. Okay, well for Arterial Black I guess it wants to be special, so it's the only one like this apparently. Arterial Black underscore sp.vgs, that's what you want to click. Import, add, and then Riot, open. That'll be on there, and we might have to come back to this in a minute. Click on the ones on the left here, click left, right, right, okay. And then I'm going to let this, it'll load up and then replace the songs. Okay, and after that, you're going to go back to this screen right here, and it will, if you click play right here, it's Riot. Okay, so now you're going to go back and click where it says RTL Black, and it'll be your chart, and you click play right here. God dang it, it wasn't doing that just a second ago. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Now that it's on here, let's look and see what happens. Okay, well even though it's being incredibly stupid and slow, it's probably because of this video recorder. You can still obviously see it's way behind the notes that are here. The track is playing way before. And so this is actually perfect. I didn't even have this set up, but it's perfect on how to do this again. So go back to the VGS file you did and do the same thing. Like import, add, find the Riot, and then do this all again. But what you're going to do different this time, right click on this, go to properties, and go to offset. Now offset will get it the track to go either forwards or backwards and delay. If you go minus whatever, it will play earlier, and if you just type in a number, it will go later. It'll delay. So this one starts too early, so we need it to delay. Now each second is 1,000. It's milliseconds. So I'm guessing that was around 2,000. So that's what I'm going to put in. Let's try that. I'll let this load. Okay, well I have it loaded up again, so let's try it again. Okay, well even though it's still incredibly hard to handle, you could still tell that it started right there where it's supposed to. So that one's all good. So if you still don't get it by the second or the first time you put the offset in, then just mess around with it. You'll get it eventually, but you have to make sure it's right on the dot, or else it will not work right on the game. Okay, so do this with all of your songs. Like I said before, no more than 55 probably, unless you calculate perfectly how many to put in, you know. It just can't get over the normal amount of space that it takes up. Okay, so after you do that, if you ever need to save Guitar Hero Export, all you do is just close it out and you're done. Okay, so that's how you set up the songs in the game. And stay tuned for part 2, and I'll show you how to change other text in the game, such as the song name, band name, everything pretty much. Okay.